and they're already deploying troops within our...
Recruit Postdoc Editor. Permission to carry on, sir. Both of scale, one on by the North Pointer, and it depicts both natural and move 400 meters to the objective. Once we are satisfied that the enemy immobilized tank has been completely destroyed, we shall disengage westward and hold abandon the ground back to the farm base before the last light. The temperatures range from 14 degrees Celsius. We have already done reconnaissance.
I'll use our demonstration to you who are ready.
Thank you for your words of wisdom.
I'm very happy the commandant told me that there are many educated people among you, people with master's degrees. I think there are 400 graduates, 400 graduates, the ones with bachelors, then the diplomas, then the A-levels. That's very good. When you have an educated army, teaching is easy. They can easily learn. When you teach, you should go to the substance, not just the procedures, but the reasons why. Why do we do this? So that people understand the logic behind. But with the public service, I would like in the next government to deal with the issue of the salaries of the scientists. Our scientists must be well paid. When COVID came, we did not quote Shakespeare to it. COVID needed science. When the floating islands were threatening ginger, engineers are the ones who helped us. Even the locusts, the army was involved, it's the one which dealt with the army, the locusts. So our scientists must be well paid. Now, then we add on government teachers, the teachers in government schools. Then we add on the health workers and the security personnel. You people, the soldiers and the policemen and the intelligence personnel. So we deal with this. The others can wait a bit, but that's because I see we can get more results if we deal with this cluster. The other point I want to make now is the issue of corruption. I'm beginning to hear that even in the army there is some little corruption. Not as much as in the police. The police has got a medal for corruption. But even here, I am hearing some selling of fuel, some here and there. Kawukumi, the other weevil, the banana weevil of corruption. Iko mdudu iko kwa imeanza kuingia. So therefore, all in charge, especially the ones who deal with vehicles, fuel. You don't know that my Bayai tell me, because I have got very good links with the Bayai, because the people who buy the fuel are my Bayai. We are having a problem of COVID in the world, but it's not a problem of COVID really. It is more a problem of indiscipline. 2 days ago, I passed out 4,000 something police personnel in Masindi. Big number, no COVID, because everybody is disciplined, everybody was tested, and all the precautions were done during the training, because they were training. When this disease started, the CDF consulted me. He said, we are training people, big number. What do? Do we close the course? I said, no, they do not need to close. COVID is easy to stop if you are disciplined. Don't tell the commandants not to allow visitors. Let the villagers stay in their homes. Instead of coming to see Senga has come to see this one, no, let them stay there. There will be no problem. So the training in Masindi went on, the training here went on, and there was no problem. We have not had even a single case of COVID. Now here I am passing out another 4,000 of you. Again, no COVID because of discipline. One or 2 weeks ago, one of our people, Etegese, broke a world record for 5,000 meters in Monaco. The man had been here in Kapchorwa training. We organized for him to come from Kapchorwa. I gave him a plane to fly to, I think, Addis or some place like that. And he went and beat those fellows and came back. So things can be done if you are disciplined. The problem is lack of discipline. The farmers are doing well. In the villages, most of the villages, there is no COVID. COVID is with the confusion of Kampala. We tried to beg them, please, don't get COVID. They were not listening. We want money, we want this. Okay, you want money? Okay, we open for you. Now they are dying. So I would like to use this occasion to thank the army, to thank the police for being serious in the fight against COVID, and this is proof of that. And to challenge the other Ugandans to do the same. The people who are spreading COVID are now the transporters, the ones who passenger transport, because they don't observe precautions. The markets, people in the markets, the Chikubo people, the arcades, these are the ones spreading the virus. So I congratulate you, graduates. Remember, life is the most important, and health. When you are healthy, there is nothing you cannot do.